I'm flossing in my Civic. I'm riding in my.
Alright, what's up, y'all? It's your boy LS254. Like I said, videos here on out was going to pretty much be on D2 though, as we got into the bag. Last video, we had unboxed the alarm system, which you can see is now in my A. Oh, there you go. Got the Autopage alarm there. Was trying to get it wired up, trying to figure it out. Never done this before, just like before I had never done an LS swap, so here we are. So as you can see here, got everything on the flow. I think I got everything hooked up right, but I didn't want to tuck everything away without knowing that, you know, it wasn't working the way it was supposed to first. So got the main two harnesses. The only harness that I didn't run down off into was this one, because I'm waiting on the door locks might be good. I don't know. I ain't never used them shits. But yeah, the door locks. And I might need a relay for them. I don't know. So I'm just start here, and then we'll add in the rest of it. So if it'll even let us get that far without it, I don't know. So we're about to find out. But we got the valet switch, the LED light, we got the remote part or receiver, whatever it is. And yeah, see what we got. All right, so we just got done programming the remote to it. Is it gonna work? If it don't work, what we got, Slim? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Slingshot engaged. Oh, shit. All right, let me see if I can figure out this remote start part. It's lit, bitch. All right, so back again. I can't figure out the remote start part. I'm gonna have to fool with it tomorrow. It got late. I'm finna go fucking eat. It's just hooking up the door locks, and then do the remote start. But right now it ain't. It says engine stop. Whatever the hell that's supposed to mean. I might have to play with it some more. But we got most of it done. It's just the last little piece. You know what I'm saying? Shit. Who would have thought we got it this far? You know what I'm saying? Boy, they installed an alarm system. So, yo, I'll come back and run at it tomorrow or throughout the week, man, and finish it up. But for the most part, it's in there, man. Shout out one more again to my boy Terry Guest. Got that thing installed. I just gotta figure out the last little kinks, and then we'll go from there. So as always, man, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choice to choose wisely, and chirp chirp. Productivity over procrastination, man. The hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop.